Hi everyone. In this video, I'll provide some brief technical instructions for posting your Major Paper Assignment 3, Draft 1 to Canvas. Please note that only one person on your team is required to submit Major Paper Assignment 3, Draft 1. I recommend appointing someone who regularly observes assignment deadlines to post your rough draft to the discussion topic. I will now show you where you can locate the discussion topic for Major Paper Assignment 3, First Drafts and Peer Review Memos. You can see that I'm here on Canvas in the Modules area. Again, you'll locate Modules by clicking on the Modules link in the left-hand side of the page. You'll then scroll down to find Module 3, and then the Major Paper Assignment 3 First Drafts and Peer Review Memos discussion topic appears toward the bottom of the Learning Activities list. As I stated before, one person on your team should post your Major Paper Assignment 3 Draft 1 assignment to this discussion's topic by 11 p.m. on November 14th. The 24-hour grace period will end at 11 p.m. on November 15th. The Week 11A mini lecture presentation video broadly explains the assignment instructions. This video tutorial includes the technical instructions about posting your draft to Canvas, which I'll get to in just a moment. You'll see that in the middle of the description, you'll find the Week 11A mini lecture presentation video. Underneath that, you will see the technical instructions video that I'm creating right now. If Cultura is down, you can find all of our course videos in our YouTube playlist. I provided a link to the YouTube playlist here. As you scroll down, you'll see further instructions for this assignment and the Major Paper Assignment 3 essay prompt within the Module 3 assignment sheets and Major Paper Assignment 3 rubric page. You can find student examples of the rough draft of Major Paper Assignment 3 in the Module 3 Student Examples collection. Course Pack Week 10A provides strategies for generating and organizing your argument in the context of public policy. For guidelines and examples of effective policy histories and decision memos, see Course Pack Week 10B. I strongly recommend playing the Quizzes homework games for Course Pack Week 10A, Chapters 1 and 2, and Course Pack Week 10B, Chapters 9 and 10. You can also refer to the readings, which are available in the Course Pack page. Resources for drafting academic or research-based essays are available in our writing process page. Again, these are resources for drafting academic or research-based essays. For the specific Major Paper Assignment 3, context and expected conventions for public policy documents, you will need to review those aspects of Course Pack Week 10A and Week 10B. You can expect to see instructions for the peer review memos in a separate video. The credit you earn for the rough draft and your peer review memos will appear as a combined point total on Canvas. If you scroll to the top, you will see that this discussion is worth 35 points. Again, your rough draft will be worth 15 points. The peer review memos will be worth 20 points for a combined total of 35 points. Once you're ready, you'll click Reply to post your draft to Canvas. As far as how you go about posting your draft, you have several different options. You can attach a Microsoft Word document, an OpenOffice document, or a PDF file. You may, in the text of your post, include a link to a Google Doc file or OneDrive file. If you choose to do this, make sure that anyone with the link can view your document. Should you experience technical difficulties with Canvas, Please send me an email with your work attached, an invitation to view your document on Google Drive, or within Canvas Mail as an attachment or direct link. Again, you can access Canvas Mail by moving to the blue ribbon on the left side of the page and clicking on Inbox. If an exceptional situation will prevent you from completing this assignment on time, please don't hesitate to reach out. I can only support your learning if you communicate with me about any obstacles to your success. Please post general questions about Major Paper Assignment 3, Draft 1, in our general forum. For personal or confidential questions, please contact me directly. Finally, regardless of the types of inquiries you have, you may stop by Microsoft Teams during my scheduled office hours and by appointment.